You shouldn't have to book an MUA every time you want to do a little simple soft glam. So if you want to learn how to do your own makeup, go ahead and watch this tutorial. First things first, you need to prep your skin. Your products will vary depending on your skin type. And then moving on to brows, I went ahead and started with the Maybelline brow pencil and lightly filled in my brows. My brows are naturally thick, so I don't do much to them. And I just put a little hold gel on top of them to make sure they stayed in place. I love that Milani and L'Oreal concealer. I mixed two shades together to conceal the brows. I did go over the top lightly, but not much. And then I went in with the Maybelline Grippy Primer. And I also used the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Look at that match. Y'all see the way it's blended into the skin? You just want to tap this into your face. Make sure you press your foundation all the way into your skin. You should not be able to tell where your skin starts and the foundation stops. Next up is concealer. Now I chose to use the e.l.f. Soft Glam in the shade 54 Neutral. And then I went back to that L'Oreal concealer. That's in the shade 445. And I put the L'Oreal on the outer edges and the e.l.f. on the inner corner. And I blended out the darker color first, and then before moving on to the e.l.f. to blend it out. Gentle tapping motions is all you need to blend the under eye. Don't be too rough. And then I use the NYX Fix Sticks to lightly contour my nose before adding the e.l.f. blush in Bronze Bombshell to add just a little bit of color back to the face. Then I took the Essence contour stick. That's like $5, and I used it to add definition. And then I used L'Oreal and Hard Candy setting powders to set the face. Now the Hard Candy went up under the eye and the L'Oreal on the perimeter of my face. Now remember, everything that's wet has to be set, so you want to go over your creams with powders to make sure they set. I used the Morphe bronzer for that. And then everything else is just small details. Eyeliner, mascara, lashes, lip gloss. You all can see that. Here is the final look. She is soft, she is glowy, but most importantly, she's affordable. I hope you all learned something. See you later. Bye.